guys, it's Vera here. In this video, I'm going to be showing all of you soft summers some awesome products that will really enhance your look. So I went shopping a couple of days ago and I got a few products that I think will look amazing on you. Again, it's all colors within your color family, within your color palette. Before putting on makeup, I like to put a primer, and the one I'm going to be using today is called the Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer by Smashbox. Right here. And what it does is it evens out your complexion, it closes up any kind of pores that are open. Basically, it minimizes the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, pores, giving you a nice clean canvas for your foundation. So it goes on like a silky smooth gel, as you can see. It really helps to even out your complexion, making your skin appear more matte. So if you're a soft summer, your complexion would be cool based, and if you're unsure, look at the underside of your wrist, and if your veins are blue based or mostly blue, then your undertone would be cool. The foundations that you should choose are ones that have a pink or blue undertone, and if you're unsure, ask at the beauty counter, tell them that you're looking for a blue based or a cool foundation. The one I'll be using today is by Smashbox. It's their Studio Skin 24-hour wear hydrating foundation, and the reason I love this product is because it is fragrance free, it glides on really smoothly, and it's a medium to full coverage. So if you have any spots that you want to cover, you can always layer it on. And in case you guys are interested, my color happens to be 0.5. It's like one of their light colors, but they have around 40 shades, so pick your shade, whether it is at the beauty counter or online. They have an amazing selection. So now for concealer, I have a Smashbox concealer in the color Light. And the reason I love this product is that a little bit goes a really long way. And if you are a soft summer, the color of your under eye would be blue based. So the circles won't look green, they'll look rather gray or blue. And to help our eyeshadow adhere better to our eyelids, I like to use an eyelid primer. This one has a color like a concealer color to it, but there's also some that don't have a color. This is again Smashbox Photo Studio Lid Primer in Light. I love this product because it really helps the eyeshadow to stick to your eye and it won't fall onto your cheek as you apply it. Now for powder, since you are a cool base season, you're looking for powders that have a pink or blue base undertone. I'm using Smashbox Halo Perfecting Powder in the color Fair Light. So this is a cool based powder foundation. What I love about this product is that it has a built-in grinder, so you can spin the wheel to get the right amount of product. This is also infused with goji berries and gold, so it's good for your skin, it's fragrance free, and it's very lightweight. I love the way that it sets my liquid foundation. Now for blush, you're going to pick a shade that has a cool base undertone. Now there's one product that I got for you guys that I love. It's by Stila, and it's their convertible color for dual lip and cheek color. So basically it's a cream, as you can see over here. So you can apply it to your cheeks or your lips with your fingertip or with a brush. I'm going to demonstrate it with a brush. So just dab it on there. And I forgot to mention that this shade is called Lilium. It's a pretty neutral color actually, which is great for soft summers. And if you're a winter, like me, a bright clear winter, this color works too, because it's just slightly warm, but only slightly. And I love the way that this product doesn't get all over my face. I don't have excess powder flying away. It really sticks and it goes on creamy. So now that we have our foundation and our blush done, let's move on to the eyes. So first let's do our eyebrows, and I'm going to use a sample that I got. Teeny tiny brow pencil, and the color is 3.5. And it broke? That really sucks. I'm going to use a color which is like a taupey color. Again, taupe is an amazing shade for soft summers because it's slightly smoky. It's not warm per se, but yet it's not too cool. You don't want to use an eyebrow shade that is too gray. Remember, as a soft summer, you don't want to go too bold with the brows because that'll create too much contrast in your look. Even if you have dark hair, again, you don't want to go for a too bold a brow. Don't go for black brows because it will really set your look out of balance. You want to look very blended, very smoky, very soft. Think Kate Moss. You'll never see her with this Cara Delevingne style eyebrows, right? That's not her best look. Her best look is one that is muted. Think of hydrangea flowers, very nice and flowing, gentle and soft. Now onto eyeshadow. I got this fabulous color palette from Smashbox. It's called the Cover Shot Prism Eye Palette. Prism is this shade. And as you can see, you have this awesome holographic design. And the colors, oh, I just love those colors. Take a look at that. You have the hydrangea flowers right there. So you have the mauves and then the lilac pinks. And then you have like a deep smoky gray. Then you have like lunar or dusty beiges and grays. Simply gorgeous. So let's use some of these colors. Let's start by using this color here. It's called Gimme Space. And we'll use this color in the inner corner of our eye. This really helps to open up the eye, making the whites appear brighter and healthier. Again, with your eyeshadow, you want to go for colors that are smoky but not too dark. And definitely not warm. The warmest that you could go is like a taupe. The other colors must be either gray based or blue based, but not bright. Stay away from colors that are too bright and vibrant. Now we'll take the mauve color over there and we'll put it into the crease of our eye. So we'll be doing a soft summer smoky eye. Now let's take the brighter pink color there, it's like a lilac pink, and we're going to put it on the bottom eyelid. So we're going for a look that is subtle yet smoky, and on a soft summer this look will look pretty dramatic. So this is a great look for both going out or special occasions. Remember, your darkest colors are charcoal grays and dark taupes. If you want to go for more daytime makeup, then choose colors that are lighter and ones that are more subdued. I'm using this color here on the center of the eyelid just to make it a bit more shiny. And I'll add a little bit just below the brow. Now let's take the darkest color, which is like a dark taupe right there. It's called Prism, what is it called? This one's called Prism Break, and we'll use it to line our eye in the corner. And now for some eyeliner, choose colors that are deep yet smoky. So some charcoal grays or really dark browns like a brown black work wonderful. Stay away from pure black unless it's mascara because it may look a little too overpowering and fake on you. It won't blend with the rest of your makeup. So the color I'm using today is going to be like a dark charcoal color, slightly gray. Think of it as a graphite gray color. So let's finish this look off with some mascara. I'm going to be using a black mascara, and it's the Super Fan Mascara by Smashbox. I love this product because it does not clump on me. Now, no look is complete without lipstick, and I got this awesome product by Stila. It's their long-lasting liquid lipstick, and the color is called Patina Shimmer. So what it is, it's like a nice pearly mauve. It has like deep gold shimmer pearls on a mauve base. And another amazing thing about this is that when you apply it, it glides on like lip gloss, but it dries into a matte lipstick consistency within 10 seconds. So again, it's super easy to apply. It lasts all day, and I think it's just about dry now. I'm going to wait a few more seconds to show you that it does not transfer. If you touch it with your finger, you see how it doesn't transfer? And this is the kind of makeup you can wear all day. You won't eat through it like you would through a regular lipstick. And this shade is perfect for all you soft summers out there. So again, this is the Patina Shimmer. The lipstick is by Stila. It's their long-lasting or long-wear, stay all day liquid lipstick. There we go. And if you are a beginner at applying lipstick, or if you're unsure if this is for you, I'll let you know that this is extremely easy to apply. You can apply it straight from the tube. It goes on very smooth. It's super thin and not sticky. This is something I love about it, and as a matte lipstick, it is really moisturizing. It doesn't go on too thick and it does not dry your lips out. So this is my video for all of you soft summers out there. I hope that you found this video helpful. Please comment down below to request more videos. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Bye.